In 2020 alone, Google search was updated 4,500 times. This is because they strive to set the standards and ensure that this is the best online search platform in the world. Google's vision has reshaped how they think about delivering our needs as users and marketers. Through innovation, they're driving future approaches to keep adapting to new shopping and browsing behaviors when searching online to find the products and services they seek. My name is Alejandra, and I'm part of a leading digital marketing agency that proudly partners with Google. In this occasion, I will tell you how you can use the latest Google updates to your advantage and knock it out of the park with a fresh digital marketing approach. Search has no limits. In order to improve the way we search, Google has enabled multi-search, which is great for combining visual assets with text, making the search process more dynamic, a lot easier, and way more accurate. For example, if the user is craving a dish that is hard to find just by taking a picture of it and adding "near me," Google will find a restaurant that has this dish as part of its menu and that is also close to where the user is. Some of the ways in which the user can take advantage of multi-search are screenshotting an outfit and adding the size and color as a query to find one that fits all your requirements, taking a photo of your dining set and adding the query outdoor table to find a matching product, and using a picture of your pet and adding the query care institution. Advertising tip. Textual information will always be necessary for your website, but make sure to add visual assets and combine them with relevant information to align your content with multi-search. The search results. Thanks to the latest AI advancements, the algorithm can provide multiple suggestions to help the users take the right path when searching for products and services they need. The best thing is that these suggestions will be present in text and other formats such as images and videos from various sources. Wondering how to take advantage of this? Since Google Search will also present suggestions in different formats and sources, staying only with the search campaign is not enough. Leveraging other channels is a must, so get your omnichannel marketing strategy ready. Additionally, the user will have the chance to explore more detailed information, which means that you could take advantage of working with long-tail keywords and customized content. Adding voices to the online search. Discussions and forums is the upgrade that has been implemented to help users find first-hand advice from reliable people. This feature will throw relevant results, including links to forums in which people who previously acquired a particular product or service share its experience. Pro tip for advertisers. This is an amazing opportunity to leverage testimonials and forums in which you invite your clients to share how your solutions have helped them and fulfilled their needs. Evolving with Google and looking forward to changes. There are many advertising platforms at your disposal. Some have great reach, others have superior settings, and so on. But if you want to get all the perks in the same place, and the one you need to go for is Google Ads. Now, let's get something straight. You're not the only one who knows that Google is the best option. Probably your competitors know it too. Staying up to date with every advancement and thinking about the most efficient ways to use them for your benefit can actually set you apart from the rest. Get more insights on how to strategize based on the latest digital marketing trends by subscribing to our channel and activating the notification bell. See you next time!